Got my little mini Hennessy, but we're not beginning there. We're beginning with some Ciroc apple. You don't gotta use Ciroc. No disrespect, Diddy. I'm just saying you don't got to. Okay, so we got some apple. Then let's bring in some banana. Then let's come behind our banana with some of my boy blue curacao. Now guys, we let that sit, right? Because guess what we gotta do next? We need crushed ice. So I got my little Lewis bag here. Put in some ice. And I can grab my little mallet. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Sound effects are really important in getting it done. Yeah! Woo!
Mind your thumb.
Dude, that was close.
That was super
That was real
close.
close. I was really nervous about that one. My roots in Africa, homeboy. Look at the color on that. I might have let it sit there too long, though. I don't know. No, maybe not. Okay. So now, before I add in, right now. Okay, so I'm gonna stick a cherry down on the side like that. Stick another little cherry here. Come behind it with some more ice, because this requires a lot of ice. Okay, guys. Now, you come over the top. What's this, mango nectar, right? Oh, okay, with the mango nectar, I need to work out more.
I'm gonna pour a lot because remember it's all ice.
Yeah, I know. It's gonna overflow. Get that down the side. But guys, we still aren't done yet because you're going, well, Sky, what's up with the mini Hennessy? You pop this. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And then you get that in there, you see? Oh, Snapperello. You, Me, and Hennessy by my boy Guzu Drinks. He's out of England, okay? This one of those drink recipes I got way back in the day. It's a fun one. Okay? Super cool, easy, and it's pretty, okay? Just have to be a little careful lifting up. Alright? And guys, how you break up your ice is yours. If you want to do my dance with it, go right ahead, okay? It's not copywritten, trademarked, or any of those things, you know what I mean? So you're good to go. Okay? As always, drink responsibly, don't drink and drive, and when you beat your ice, alright? Later!